was in a break and I was a little unsure about how things would go forward. I felt like I was doubting myself a lot. So, hello everybody. My name is Akshita, and I was an ex-hotelier. I hail from Himachal Pradesh. However, I grew up all over, and I found my fascination with hotels. Thus, I did my BSc in hospitality and hotel administration from IHM Mumbai. And I got through management training in the one of the top three hotel companies in India. And I'm truly grateful for the experience I've had. However, I felt that I needed a change of career and it wasn't just my calling. So, from the first conversation itself with Set My Career, I was really impressed and intrigued. And the first test just proved things right because that was the interest test. And it was so open and judgment free. Like it stated that without thinking that if there's something that you can do or if you possess the skills or not, without any thing in mind, just freely answer these questions, which honestly made me more hopeful. And I found that there are actually a lot of things that I can do. However, that is where the mentor comes in place, who helped me pinpoint with aspects to the other tests that I gave, which were the personality and competency test, as to where I would flourish the most. The second test, the personality test, the questions were very interesting. I got to know a lot more about myself. Like I knew those things, but the fact that it caught everything and the questions were not even that hard, it just took a little time, but that's fine. As long as it got me the results that I wanted, I am fine with that. Dr. Ati explained everything to me. So he began step by step. He started with the interests, then he went on to the personality, and then he explained every aspect to me, even competency. And he asked me questions to understand me better, which I really appreciated because, and the best part about it was that while he was explaining each and every aspect of, let's say, personality, there are different aspects to it. So he was giving me feedback as to, this is how people perform usually, and this is what you did. So this shows this about you or that about you. And the personalization level and the fact that he took so much time and invested just to find the right career for me to help me out really meant a lot. And later with the results that I got, so he not only gave me options as to what jobs I can do immediately, but he also gave me options as to what I can study to expand my horizons further, because I had told I'm flexible with studying as well. So the study options that he gave me included an open university. So he was very open in terms of your financial like situations. So he gave me options if I have, or if I like, how I want to take it forward. Basically, he gave me the power to take it forward regardless of the financial situation, which I really appreciated. He was a really good listener. He made notes while I was talking with regards to my previous experiences and what I felt I needed more of. And I honestly feel that he was spot on about the recommendations that he gave and the insights that I got from him. He also included a special personality and like basically a mix of the three tests that I gave. He wrote a small little note in the end, which I am really I really appreciate him for that, because I think I needed to hear that.